Hello and Namaste, welcome to our official channel Samata School East. Today we are going to show you how to view or get online result of Samata School located in eastern Nepal. Please follow the instructions as shown to you. Step 1. You must have valid internet connection on your device, so please connect to an internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open any internet browser on your device. Step 3. On a search bar of your browser, enter our official website www.samata.com. Step 4. When the home page opens, scroll down the page to find out check result button. Press on check result button. Step 5. You will see a box where you have to input symbol number of a student. Input symbol number, then press on submit button. Now you can view whole progress report of a student. Thank you.